What's up, gang? Welcome back. I've got another great practical tip for you to help keep in touch with your current friends and build those relationships. I call it year-end reflection letters. What you're gonna need is papers, letters, stamps, and photos as an added bonus. Your friends will be touched by your thoughtfulness because who gets letters out of the blue these days? Nobody, which is exactly why it makes it so much more fun and makes such a better impact. Now, I chose the entire year of 2020, but feel free to do a summer reflection, holiday reflection, even a decade reflection. I then went through everything for that year: notes, text, my calendar for events, and photos. And I made a list of the people that made an impact on me during that time. Once I finished making my list, as an added bonus, I printed out photos of the good times I had with those friends to include in my letters. Now, once I had my list and my letters, now comes the fun part: writing them all out. Figure out how much time you have to devote to this, and based on the amount of letters that you need to write, figure out the size of paper that you want to write on. I chose the full 8x10 paper for about 40 people, which took me easily into double-digit hours to finish, just as a reference point. Home stretch here, as it's time to put them all together and address the envelopes. Now get creative on getting addresses. I like texting friends of friends to get people's addresses so they don't know that it's coming. Oh, look at all that money right there. Once you stamp them, kiss them goodbye and send them on their way. But make sure you double check before dropping them in. I need to double check them. See? See? I knew there were some. And that's it. I hope that helps some of you better connect with your buddies and brighten their day. Feel free to shoot me a DM with any questions or comments. And if you're watching on YouTube, like and subscribe, baby.